Alright, so my vision board did not work last year. Like, I just think that it's time to try the viral bingo card.
I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kim Smalls and I am your new YouTube bestie. So this video we're going to talk about the vision board bingo, but first I want to show you guys my vision board that I've been using for the last 2 years. Don't judge me, but yeah, so I have my vision board from really 2023, but I put a post-it note on it because I didn't feel like I accomplished anything, and I didn't even really know what a vision board bingo card was. But yeah, so this is the vision board I have. I took a lot of time. I did this, I grabbed everything from Pinterest, but I just felt like it was more a piece of art than something that really helped me grow in the last 2 years. Like, some of them I did accomplish, like I got a new apartment, I did travel out the country, but like I said, I made this in 2023. The only thing that I felt like I really accomplished in 2023 was moving into a new apartment. 2024, I finally got my passport and I did get to travel outside of the country, which was great. But everything else on my vision board, I don't really feel like it came into fruition, however you say it. Like, I didn't really see any growth in those areas. So I decided I wanted to do the vision board bingo card. So the reason why, I just feel like because it's a game, I feel like it would make me strive to accomplish those goals. Like, I put on my vision board bingo some things that I felt were accomplishable in a certain amount of time or through a time frame. I also put some things on my vision board that I wanted to do daily until the year is up, or at least put in more effort until the year is up. And each bingo I get to reward myself. Now, the reward has to be something I want, so I'll do it after each bingo, but I didn't like put it out on my board because I figured I'll just figure it out when it happens. So if you guys want to know how I made my vision board, I'll show you guys mine and I'll show you guys how I did it. So let's hop into it. Alright, so I got my laptop. I'm a laptop girl. You can use your phone. Hold on, let me get comfy. So I have my laptop. You guys can use your phone. You can use your iPad. You can use your tablet, whatever. I prefer a laptop just because, like, I like to see stuff. And I like to see it up close, and I work at a computer all day, so I think it's just my brain used to using a computer. So we're gonna hop into Canva. And we're using the free version, girl. I don't have the funds. So this is my vision board I have for right now. Like I said, I have some stuff that's measurable and some stuff that I could just do. So I have like a beach day, I have travel to a new state, a juice cleanse. Like, those are things I know that I can accomplish pretty quickly, or like, you know, on a random day. So like for me, a beach day would be on one of those days where it's probably the weekend, because I do work a traditional 9 to 5, but it's probably a weekend. It's probably a week where I'm feeling really bad and I have some extra gas. So boom, I'm gonna go to the beach. I live in Florida. I live 45 minutes from the beach. All right, fun, cool, have a beach day. Another one I have is a juice cleanse. I have a juicer. I don't really use it that much, but when I was using it, I really enjoyed it. So I wanted to do like a juice day, a juice cleanse for like 3 or 4 days, something quick, or something that is in a time frame. So I have go to the gym 3 times a week for 4 months. I feel like I can accomplish that. There's some stuff, like I said, something that can be built through the whole year. So that would be stronger relationships, like with my partner or with my friends. What else? Put more effort into myself. I feel like that's something that I've been lacking. A lot of times y'all see me, I come on here, I really don't have my hair done, I don't have my makeup done. Nails, right now I have my nails trimmed all the way down, but of course I could put on press-ons or whatever, because I truly feel when you look good, you feel good. And I feel like a lot of times when I don't feel good about myself, it's because I'm not putting in any effort. I'm not taking myself, like, I'm not, you know, throwing on something cute like an outfit. I'm wearing sweats. So those are some of the things that I want to change throughout the year, but I don't want to list all of them. You guys can see them on my Canva, but what I will show you is how I created it. So basically I typed in a poster, and then I basically just inserted a table, and I added a row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I came over here and added a column then I added another column, 5, and then I just stretched it out. Oops, try to keep them even. And you guys don't have to do it this way, but this is how I did it. And then I went into elements, and then I typed in B. And you see there's all these fonts here, not fonts, but letters. And I just clicked ones that I like. And I try to match them up with each column. So B. And then one way you can, like, if you see the artist, or you see, like, if you see the letter you want, you can go here and then you can click under, it says view more by this person. You click it and you can see everything they did. So it's kind of easier than trying to, like, press more like this. It's kind of easier to kind of just scroll through and see what this person has offered. And I think I used some of the person's stickers, like this sticker I used, and I put up in there. And even if you want to, you can add in these pictures in each square. But that's not what we're doing. That's not what we're doing. Okay, so I just went and added these letters, and or you can go magic record. You can go the way I showed you guys, or let me show you real quick. You see how it says magic recommendations? You see all? That's way faster than what I was doing. So B-I-N-G-O. Isn't that a song? B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. That's what, wasn't it? Once was a farmer that had a dog. No, I don't know. I don't know. Alright. So basically, I have the B-I-N-G-O. You can also find a template. But I just kind of like doing stuff on my own, because with templates, it's pretty easy to use in a template, honestly. So this is just one way to do it, is to do a chart. and then you can make sure they're lined up to your best ability. Like I said, you can add the stickers, little elements that says like motivation or whatever stuff on there. Like I said, the passive income, that's a really good one. Like if you want to start a side hustle, you can type in your stuff. Like I said, I wanted to do some stuff that was mixed in with measurables, so it might be, instead of going to the gym 3 times a week, you can say go to the gym twice a week. Okay, and then I would add in like a gym sticker, or I'll just type in gym, and then I see what's free, like these weights, and then I would add it in to like a little corner or something. Also, if you wanted to, you didn't want to create your own thing, like I said, you can find a template. So let's just go back home and go bingo poster. This is mine. There's all types of bingos in here, and you can just customize it, and there's that. Or you can go to Pinterest and type in vision board bingo, and they actually have some examples here. I'll pop it up. This one's really cute, and somebody made it. You can use theirs, or some have like templates you can find on Etsy. So these are all what I found on here. These are very simple. It just depends on how you want to do it. Yeah, so I'm going to actually print mine off, but I do want to know what some of y'all's, ideas or goals for the year, and let me know in the comments. Do you guys like this video? I hope so, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye.